This is the course in
Yes.
MSc Autonomous System, and I'm Sanjay Sharma. I'm program champion of this course. I'm also heading a research called Autonomous Marine System Research Group. And on the right, you can see some of the vehicles which are running autonomously in the water, and that will be part and parcel of the course as well. Some of the techniques we have used there will be also be covered in this course.
Okay.
So why autonomous system? Because autonomous system will be increasingly adopted in every aspect of our life, day-to-day life, and you can easily see it is quite visible in transportation system. You might be seeing and heard about the autonomous vehicle, car, and then drones and autonomous marine ship as well. And it's a very growing market because you can see the figure, and just in autonomous transportation sector is expected to grow by 172 billion dollar in 2020 by 2024. So this going to open a huge opportunity in autonomous system right from the level 3 to level 5, where 5 being the full autonomy. So this is not going to only open opportunity in autonomous system in transportation, but there is many allied sector which depends on autonomous technology like GIS mapping, geofencing, and edge computing. So all these sectors will grow as we grow in this autonomous system world. So these are some other examples of the autonomous system in transportation area. Like we are growing very fast in water, and autonomous ship market is growing very fast, expected to grow by nearly 14 billion in 2030. And the other sector which is quite promising area and growing very fast is the autonomous drone, and it's because of the many utility of the drone in many different area, mostly for parceling and delivering the parcel at the high location, high rise building, and helping people to get something and uh, to reach somewhere which you might not have thought before by using the drones. So all these things autonomous system based on technology, and thus we are going to cover in this course. So most of the autonomous system will work on the artificial intelligence technology, which try to mimic the behavior of intelligent person. Then you have machine which are intelligent. So we are going to learn about how can you make the machine intelligent, some machine learning techniques. And the sensor is the more or less part of any autonomous system because you have to perceive the environment before you take any action. So there will be many sensors in autonomous system. So it will be very difficult to take action on each and every sensor output. So we have to use some technology where you can fuse the sensor information and give optimal information to the system on which the system can take autonomous action. So
Okay.
this is the aim of the program. So we are trying to develop knowledge and skill in many technology which are required for any autonomous system. Like I told before, AI techniques in decision making, autopilot, sensor fusion, machine learning, security, communication, networking, and data management. So this course will broaden your knowledge in any new and emerging technology required for autonomous system. We also challenge our students to solve any complex and novel engineering problem by taking different type of digitization projects. The central element of any future autonomous system will depend on the software incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this course will also develop your professional competency and personal self-development skill, and they develop the skill necessary to pursue any academic career if you are thinking to do PhD or any research or you want to work in any company. So there are many distinctive features of this program. If you see the other autonomous system master program in UK. So this is the only program in UK where are providing a strong skill set both in marine and robotic autonomy. Most of the autonomous system course in UK are providing autonomous system in robotic area only. So after you get this postgraduate degree, you have career enhancing postgraduate degree because it will help you to see the career in many different area, which I will show you which sector you can apply go for the career after you get the degree, as well as we prepare you for achieving the charter status through portfolio development and professional discussion. So after you complete the master degree, you can apply for charter engineer status, which is a big prestigious things
Brilliant.
for any engineer, and which will help you to get a better job, high paid job.
Brilliant.
And we have academics from four different world leading research group. So I belong to Autonomous Marine System Research Group. There are other groups, Center for Robotics and Neural System, Maritime Cyber Threat Research Group, and Big Data Group. So academics from all this group will be teaching you different modules, and they have linked with the employers and professional engineering institution. So you will be greatly benefited by their experience and their connection. So we are already developing a digital environment for this course, and we will be also assisting you to do some workshop and high quality learning and environment in our library and laboratories. So we are getting a very good modern laboratory which will be called Autonomous System Lab, uh, starting from next year, I think, and which will give you access to do many exciting projects. As well as we also have contact with many company who is working in autonomous area. One of the company, Thales, which will be part of one of the module, which will be taking as optional module where they will come and tell you how they are using autonomous system in the marine areas. So you can involved in that. So this is more or less like a modules we cover in our MSc in Autonomous System. So it's a mix of module, but all these modules cover all the technology required necessary for making any system as an autonomous system. So there will be 120 credits module running in 2 semesters, and then there is a 60 credit MSc dissertation, which can be work based, can be selected by you, and can be you can talk to your any interest in any area to any supervisor, and you can select any topic you like. So these are the core modules, and then we have also have optional module starting from this area, where one module is the practical module where you can work with the company in a marine area, and if you know Thales will be working in this area, and you will be learning how they apply different type of autonomy in a marine sector. So you will be involved in them, maybe in data collection, maybe learning something else as well. And similarly, we have another core module, optional module, which teaches you about the big data. How can you handle the big data when you work in autonomous area? You will be always dealing with a very big amount of data.
Yeah.
So overall, this course will run for 3 semesters in 1 year, and this will have 180 credits at master level. So these are for the international students. I think the international office will be telling you more in detail, but there are some uh, scholarship as well as of in tuition fee depending upon your performance in your undergraduate degree. And I
Oh,
think
that
for
sounds
this
good.
50% tuition fee, you have to apply as well. And this is the most important part for international people, because after your degree, you can still live in UK as a normal, you and will be treated as a normal UK students, and you can apply for any job, and you can work here for 2 years after your degree without any work permit. And after you get 2 year experience, you can still continue to work because your salary will be sufficient enough to change to some other visa. So just wanted to give you a bit information about the location. So we are based in the southwest of England, and we are 3 hours by train from London. And this is well connected city to all big cities in UK, as well as you can go to France and Spain by ferries. So it's a very good location to live and work here because it's a beautiful area full of natural beauty and full of coastal areas. So many beautiful sea beaches in around Plymouth. So Plymouth is considered to be an ocean city. So we have many tourist places to visit. So some of the tourist places are just collected here. So we have Royal William Ward, which is the largest collection of Grade 1 listed building in the UK, where we have all the restaurants from all over the world. So it's a good place for people who are interested in eating food. Then we have the largest national marine aquarium in the Barbican area. And the Plymouth is also the second safest and fifth happiest place to live and work in the UK. Our campus is in the city center, so it's well connected to all the major sites area of the Plymouth, and you never get bored. So I moved to Plymouth in 2004. So I lived in Sheffield, which is near Manchester, and then Belfast, and then I moved to Plymouth. And after that, I don't want to move anywhere because I like this city very much. So hopefully you will like as well.